Hello, wonderful people. I'm super excited to be here today. In today's video, we're talking about something interesting, something educating, something important to you as a rabbit farmer. Before we move further, today is the first time of coming across my video. Please do wait to hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell in order for you to be notified when other videos are being uploaded. In today's video, I'm talking about reasons why rabbits eat their babies after giving birth to them and what to do to avoid such acts. That's what we'll be talking about in today's video. So I will encourage you to stay tuned to the end of this video so that you will not lose or miss any important points. Let's get started. Okay, why do rabbits eat their babies? They are supposed to take care of their babies after giving birth to their babies, but why do they tend to eat their babies? Why? So the first thing I want to say is rabbits eat their babies when she gives birth to a deformed and a formed rabbit. She tends to eat the deformed one. By doing that, she forgets herself because they have a low instinct. By doing that, after eating the deformed rabbit, she tends to eat the formed one too. So that is one of the reasons why we see that when we get to her pen, we notice that she has eaten her babies. Another thing is when she's not properly fed. If you are giving your rabbit a formulated feed, it must be compounded properly. If you are giving your rabbit forages, you must give them the proper forage they need. If she's not properly fed, if she's not giving the appropriate protein content, they tend to eat their babies after giving birth. Another thing is when she's anxious, when she's stressed, when she's not kept in a good environment. After giving birth to her baby, she tends to eat the baby. And the reason why they eat their babies, especially when they are not kept in a proper environment, they think they are taking care of the baby, they think they are protecting the baby, not knowing that they are harming the baby. So when they are not kept in a good environment, they tend to eat their babies because within them they think they are actually caring for the baby, not knowing they are harming the baby. So what can we do to avoid these acts? Number one, make sure you care for your doe, especially when she's pregnant. Do well to always visit the pen. Do well to always care for her. Feed your doe properly when she's pregnant. Another thing we should do is we should avoid crossbreeding. We should avoid inbreeding rather. We should avoid inbreeding. Inbreeding in rabbits, most times when she gives birth to stillbirths. So you avoid inbreeding in your rabbits. Another thing is make sure you keep your rabbits in a good and conducive environment, not a noisy area. We know that rabbits are quiet animals, so you do well to keep your rabbits in a calm and good conducive environment. Another thing I would like to talk about is make sure you provide the appropriate instruments that she will be needing when she wants to give birth. And this is the nesting box. Make sure you provide the nesting box for your rabbits when she wants to give birth. It is so important. It's just like human being, when you want to give birth, you go to the hospital. So you provide your rabbit a nesting box when she wants to give birth. So all those things are things you should provide for your rabbit and endeavor to do them. By doing them, you notice that when she give birth, she give birth to a formed rabbit. She won't give birth to a stillbirth. And as well, she will take care of your rabbit. She will take care of the rabbit baby. So I believe you have